You are on stage enough long to see the changes. And what is your perspective? What's positive, what is coming, and what's negative?
This is kind of a loaded question. On the one hand, I feel like the avant-garde vogue of what we do is past. Klezmer and Yiddishkeit are no longer the hot new thing that they were. But they're still going strong. It's just, it's no longer countercultural in some places. Here, also Poland, Hungary, it's no longer hip to do this. Now it's just normal. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. I think that we dealt with the question of, who gets to do this and who should do it. And I know there were a lot of people who felt that this should be the exclusive province of Jewish performers. I think it's a sensitive subject. I don't necessarily agree. I think it should be the exclusive province of great performers, because it's only better, again, for the genre, to keep the genre vibrant and legitimate. So in terms of changes, I guess the biggest change has been its normalization and how common it's become. That's a good thing. I just hope that people remain dedicated and enthusiastic, because it's not pop music. Obviously, no one's going to become a billionaire from being a klezmer musician. It really is a labor of love. For some of us, I think it's a love of the genre, and for others, I know in my case, comparing it to what I used to do for a living, there is something of a mission about it, because I see how precarious its existence is and how it requires more active husbandry than pop music does, or jazz. There will always be people doing those things. I think that to celebrate it, to preserve it as a tradition, and to keep it evolving and moving forward is essential. Otherwise, we become a culture that's preserved in amber. And it's very beautiful, and it becomes very sacred, but it doesn't breathe. So that's essential.